Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0A15 indicates a low current issue in the front engine mount actuator control circuit. This component is crucial for maintaining the engine's stability and minimizing vibrations during operation. Located near the engine, the actuator works in conjunction with the engine mount control unit to adjust the engine's position based on various driving conditions. If the actuator fails or has a low current, it can result in increased vibrations, which might affect overall driving comfort. Understanding this error is vital for both diagnosing issues and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's performance. Effective troubleshooting is the key to resolving such DTCs efficiently. The front engine mount actuator plays a critical role in stabilizing the engine by adjusting its position as required during various driving conditions. It is situated near the engine, directly connected to the engine mount control unit. This unit processes data from sensors to ensure the engine runs smoothly, thereby minimizing harmful vibrations that can be felt inside the vehicle. A malfunction in this actuator could lead to increased engine vibrations, which not only affect ride quality, but could also cause long-term damage to associated components. Understanding the specific function of this actuator aids in pinpointing potential issues during troubleshooting. The actuator is integral to the vehicle's overall performance, highlighting the importance of addressing DTC P0A15 effectively. Several factors may lead to the triggering of DTC P0A15. A primary cause is a low current in the actuator control circuit, which might stem from a damaged wiring harness or faulty connections. Additionally, the engine mount actuator itself could be malfunctioning or deteriorated, failing to respond to the control signals. Poor connections at the engine mount control unit or the actuator can also cause intermittent failures, resulting in momentary fluctuations in performance. Lastly, a faulty body ground connection can disrupt the circuit, compromising the actuator's operation. Recognizing these possible causes is essential in streamlining the troubleshooting process and ensuring effective repairs. When DTC P0A15 is present, several symptoms are likely to manifest. Drivers may notice increased engine vibrations due to compromised stability efforts of the engine mount actuator. A rough idle condition can also arise, where the engine experiences difficulty maintaining steady RPM levels. The presence of this error code will be indicated on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, prompting a deeper investigation. Some drivers might also feel changes in the vehicle's handling and ride comfort, which are often directly linked to engine mounts malfunctioning. These symptoms collectively point to the need for immediate action to rectify the underlying issues with the engine mount actuator. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P0A15 requires starting by turning the ignition switch to the on operating position. This action ensures that the vehicle's electrical systems are powered up to begin diagnostics. It is crucial at this point to record all freeze data and any onboard snapshots, as they provide valuable insights into the vehicle's state at the time of the error. After that, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the memory. This will reset the system and allow for fresh diagnostics. Observing the vehicle post-clearing is essential to determine if the same DTC reappears, guiding subsequent steps in troubleshooting effectively. After clearing the DTC, the next step involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for approximately 20 seconds. This period is critical for the engine mount actuator to stabilize and obtain accurate readings from the HDS. Following the idle segment, check the HDS once more for any confirmed or pending DTCs. If DTC P0A15 or P0AB7 appears again, this indicates a persistent problem within the actuator control circuit. A yes response necessitates further diagnostics, while a no result suggests an intermittent failure, thereby requiring inspection of electrical connections and ground points. This step is vital for understanding whether the issue is transient or persistent, impacting further troubleshooting directions. At this stage, the ignition must be turned off to lock zero position. Following this, disconnect the front engine mount actuator connector to isolate the component for testing. With a digital volt-ohm meter, DVOM, equipped to read minute resistance changes, measure the resistance between the actuator terminals number 1 and number 2. It is critical to zero the meter prior to this measurement to ensure an accurate reading. The expected resistance is between 0.48 to 0.54 ohms at a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. This specific range is indicative of a functional actuator. If the readings differ, it confirms a dysfunction, necessitating actuator replacement or further analysis. This step is essential for verifying the integrity of the engine mount actuator. Following the resistance check, the next step involves disconnecting the engine mount control unit's 16P connector. Once disconnected, continuity must be checked between terminal number 1 of this connector and the vehicle's body ground. This procedure helps ensure that there is a proper ground connection for the control unit. A lack of continuity suggests issues with ground connections, which can cause erratic behavior of the actuator control circuit. If continuity is established, it indicates the ground is intact, leading to further examination of the actuator or control unit for faults. This step underscores the critical interplay between electrical connections and component functionality. After resolving the issues leading to DTC P0A15, it's essential to restore all connections secured during the troubleshooting process. Once everything is reconnected, use the HDS to clear any remaining DTCs from the memory, proactively preventing them from reappearing during future diagnostics. A test drive of the vehicle follows, which serves as a practical assessment of the repairs made. Observing how the vehicle performs during this drive offers critical insights into whether the initial problems have been adequately addressed. Ensuring that no vibrations or issues arise during operation will confirm the success of the repair efforts. This final verification step is crucial in reaffirming the reliability and performance of the vehicle systems. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding recurrence of DTC P0A15 and associated issues with the engine mount actuator. Regular visual inspections of the engine mount and its connections can help identify wear or potential failure points before they become significant problems. Ensuring that all electrical connections remain tight and free from corrosion is vital to maintaining circuit integrity. Furthermore, monitoring the vehicle's performance, particularly in terms of vibrations and handling, enables drivers to catch problems early. By proactively managing these aspects, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity of their engine components and maintain overall vehicle stability. Committing to preventive maintenance allows for a smoother, more reliable driving experience. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0A15 is crucial for optimizing the performance of the Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. Following the comprehensive troubleshooting steps outlined allows for effective diagnosis and repair of the front engine mount actuator issues. Each step plays a vital role in isolating the problem while ensuring that electrical connections remain intact. Engaging in timely preventive care further helps avoid recurrence, providing a better driving experience. Overall, Investing time and effort into proper diagnostics and maintenance will pay off in vehicle reliability and performance. Keeping abreast of such maintenance tasks empowers vehicle owners to stay ahead of potential issues. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.